here, as you see, I have some flours, some breadcrumbs, and some Parmesan all mixed together. Yes. Okay. And like I said again, I have my egg yolk. I don't know if this helped, but I like to squeeze lemon on my chicken as well. I do. So I also like to put lemon pepper, a little light lemon pepper. Just a little. Love my parsley. Just a little black pepper. Just a little. And I add a little red pepper because I'm a spicy chick. I love a little spice. Just a little bit. Marinate all that together. I like to drain some of the water off. Well, not some of it, the majority of it. Put all that yolk on it. Bring it over here. I believe that the breadcrumbs have some seasoning in it already, so I don't want to over season. If you would like, you can buy breadcrumbs that are not seasoned, but these are seasoned. This is some leftover breadcrumbs I had. Move it around in that yolk. Shake and bake. Now you don't want to have your grease up too high. Lay those down. I have it at a medium high at this time. I actually turned my stove down just a little bit more. And let's cook. Okay, my chicken is definitely browning nicely. I already flipped them. It's looking good. Now, when my chicken comes out, I like to squeeze some lemon on it while it's still hot. Still cooking. Still have another batch. Doing well. So now it's time to prepare my noodles. I definitely like Barilla. I like different spaghetti noodles, but I like these specifically. I have my water going. I have some oil and some salt in there. Let's get my noodles going. Let my pasta cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will apply this to a lemon sauce for my chicken. Let's see it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add maybe a half a stick of butter or less. I don't like too much butter. I'm gonna melt this on down. I'm also going to add some thyme, some little thyme. I like fresh garlic. I love fresh garlic. I love my fresh garlic. Fresh garlic is good for you. Gonna add some chives. Got my pasta over there working. What, guys? Can't forget about that lemon. Can't forget about that lemon. And probably add some parsley to it as well. Can't forget about that lemon, guys. So I wanted to add a little bit of lemon zest to it. Some more chives. Got a little lemon zest going. Smelling really good. That flavor is everything, guys. A little bit more black pepper wouldn't hurt. Again, you want your butter sauce, your lemon butter sauce to cook on low with your garlic and everything. Looking good. It's time for me to drain that pasta. Alrighty. Now that we have our pasta drained, I'm going to add this to the sauce I have. There's nothing like a good sauce. With lemon pepper. And of course I have my chives. You can only smell this. It's giving me a nice lemon garlic. Nice lemon garlic can smell. Alrighty guys, so this is what my lemon Parmesan crusted chicken looks like with lemon butter sauce, guys. Looks good. We have a little glaze put on top. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like. Thank you.